Hello, my name is David and I'm working as an application engineer for Shining 3D. Now I want to show you how you calibrate the new FreeScan UE Pro. So you have this calibration board over here, and if you have a look to it, you see you have a left and a right side. Put the board in front of you that the right side is on the right and the left on the left. Put it flat on the table, and on the software, click on the calibration mode over here. Then the software is starting the calibration mode, and the first step is to calibrate the scanner and the 5 lines. So now we can see the software has started. We take the scanner, hold it on the left side, and push the start button once. You will see 5 laser lines and the position. If you are too close, you hear the sound, and then you move slowly up. You hear the click, and the calibration for the 5 lasers is done. The next is the calibration of the crossing and the single line. You go in the middle. If you hold the scanner, you can see in the software to find the right position. If everything is green, then go slowly up, that everything is checked green. If you are too fast and miss a position, just easy go back, find the position again, and slowly go up. And the last one. Now there's no laser anymore, only the cameras are on. Put the scanner down, forward it 20 degrees, and go slowly up. Then the same for the back. Lift it to the back like you can see it in the picture, and go slowly up. Now to the right side, close to the calibration board, find the right position and go up. And the last one to the left. Start from the near and go up. Now the software is calculating the result, and if it was too bad, you have to redone it. If it's good, then you can close the calibration board, put it to the side, and you can start go on scanning. As you see now, our calibration success. We have a deviation from 0.001, and we can click on next and go on with our scanning, which we will show you in the next video. Thank you for watching.